Hello friends, welcome to Global Online. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss some important MCQs on the unit statistics for your upcoming Maharashtra SET 2022. So friends, if you are preparing for Maharashtra SET 2022 in economics, so this video is very helpful for you. So in this video we are going to discuss some MCQs on the unit statistical economics. And friends, if you are preparing for Maharashtra SET 2022 in economics, so here we have brought a crash course for you. So in this crash course you will get complete theory lectures, you will receive complete MCQ lectures, you will get 20 plus mock tests on the entire syllabus. After attending the test you will receive solution PDF also. Then notes are available on all the units. Practice MCQ set is available. This crash course is available only at rupees 7,000. So if you join now, you will also get discounts. So to join for this crash course, you can contact this number. You can just send a WhatsApp message to this number. You will get the entire information. So friends, you can also download our global online app from Play Store. This app is available in the Play Store. You can go through this logo and you can download our app. Then you can register yourself by using your email ID or mobile number. Then you can search MS at economics. Then you will see all the materials here. So let us move to the questions. Here the first question is base year quantities weights are used in. Option A Laspeyer's method, option B Paste's method, option C Fisher's ideal method, option D consumers index. So friends, here base year quantities weights are used in. So Laspeyer's method. So option A Laspeyer's method is the correct answer. So as you all know, Laspeyer method is based on the base year quantities and Paste's method is based on the current year quantities. So the Laspeyer's method, it is calculated by working out the cost of group of commodities at the current price, dividing this by cost of the same group of commodity as the base period and then multiplied by the 100. So here option A Laspeyer's method is correct answer because it is based on the quantities of base year. Yes, let us move to the question number 2. The overall goodness of the regression model is measured by option A coefficient of variation, option B coefficient of determination, option C coefficient of correlation, option D coefficient of association. Yes, here the overall goodness of it is the overall goodness of fit of the regression model is measured by option B coefficient of determination. So option B is correct answer. The coefficient of determination, it is a measurement used to explain how much the variability of one factor can be caused by its relationship to another related factor. So this correlation known as the goodness of fit and is represented as a value between 0 and 1. This question number 3. Index numbers are expressed in option A ratios, option B squares, option C percentages, option D combination. Yes, index numbers are explained in percentage. So option C is correct answer. So as you all know, index numbers we are going to calculate in terms of percentage. So index numbers are expressed in terms of percentage. So of the two periods, the period with which the comparison is to be made is known as the base period and the value of the base period is given as 100 in calculating index number. Question number 4. Which of the following is not based on all the observations? Option A arithmetic mean, option B geometric mean, option C harmonic mean, option D mode. Yes, here the right answer is option D, mode is the correct answer. Yes, mode is not based on all the observations. So in a given observations, most repeated number is known as the mode and mode is not based on the all the observations. So option D is correct here. Yes, the mode is the value that appears most often in a set of given data. So question number 5. If all the values are of equal importance, the index numbers are called. Option A, weighted index number. Option B, unweighted index number. Option C, composite index number. Or option D, value index. So if all the values are of equal importance, the index number is unweighted index number. So please remember, option B, unweighted, is the right answer. Yes, if all the values are not equal important, then the index number is called weighted index number. Yes, question number 6. Root mean square deviation is. Option A, mean deviation. Option B, standard deviation. Option C, correlation. Option D, all of the above. Yes, here option B, standard deviation, is correct answer. Root mean square deviation is known as the standard deviation. Yes, standard deviation, it is denoted by this symbol, and it is a measure of how dispersed data is in relation to the mean. Low standard deviation means data are clustered around the mean, and high standard deviation indicate data are more spread out. Question number 7. A measure of the degree of linear association between the two variables is. Option A, regression. Option B, partial correlation. Option C, correlation. Option D, partial regression. A measure of degree of linear association between the two variables is correlation. So option C, correlation, is correct answer. Yes, correlation means it is a statistical measure that expresses the extent to which two variables are linearly related. And correlation is a common tool for describing simple relationships without making a statement about cause and effect. Yes, question number 8. Absence of symmetry is. Option A, skewness. Option B, kurtosis. Option C, moments. Option D, none of these. Yes, absence of symmetry means it is a skewness. Yes, skewness refers to a distortion or asymmetry that deviates from the symmetrical bell curve or normal distribution. Question number 9. The most suitable average for qualitative measurement is. Option A, arithmetic mean. Option B, median. Option C, correlation coefficient. Option D, geometric mean. Yes, the most suitable average for qualitative measurement is. Option B, median, is the right answer. Yes, the median is the middle number in a sorted ascending or descending order. Question number 10. If most repeated observations are outliers of data, then mode is considered as. Option A, intended measure. Option B, percentage measure. Option C, best measure. Option D, poor measure. Yes, here if most repeated observations are outliers of data, then the mode is poor measure. Question number 11. Quartiles, median, percentiles and deciles are measure of central tendency classified as. Option A, paired average. Option B, deviation average. Option C, positional average. Option D, central average. Here the right answer is option C, position average, is the right answer. Yes, positional average refers to the average which are taken out through observation from the series, where a particular value from the series is picked up which represents the whole series. Question number 12. Types of descriptive measures include. Option A, measures of skewness. Option B, measures of dispersion. Option C, measures of central tendency. Option D, all of the above. Yes, here the right answer is option D, all of the above. So measures of skewness, measures of dispersion, measures of central tendency, all are the types of descriptive measures. Question, yes, there are four major types of descriptive measures are there. First one is measures of frequency, count, percent, frequency. Measures of center tendency, mean, median and mode. Measures of dispersion, range, variance and standard deviation. Measures of position, percentile, ranks, quartile ranks. Yes, question number 13. In statistical procedures, skewness is used to measure the option A amount of variance, option B amount of upper tail values, option C amount of dispersion, option D direction of dispersion. Yes, skewness is used to measure the amount of dispersion. So option C is right here. Yes, skewness measures the deviation of a random variables given distribution from the normal distribution, which is symmetrical on both sides. A given distribution can be either be skewed to the left or right. Question number 14. In kurtosis, frequency curve which looks more peaked than the normal curve of bell shape is classified as option A mega curve, option B mesokurtic, option C leptokurtic, option D platykurtic. Yes, here the right answer is option C, leptokurtic is correct answer. Yes, frequency curve which looks more peaked than the normal curve, it is leptokurtic. Yes, if you observe here, you will come to know. So this is mesokurtic, and if the curve is more peaked than the normal distribution, it is leptokurtic, and if it is less peaked, it is platykurtic. Question number 15. If vertical lines are drawn at every point of straight line in a frequency polygon, then by this way frequency polygon is transformed into option A width diagram, option B length diagram, option C histogram, option D dimensional bar chart. Yes, here the right answer is option C, histogram is correct. Yes, histogram, it is a graph. It shows the frequency of numerical data using rectangles, and the height of a rectangle represents the distribution frequency of a variable. Question number 16. Assertion and reasoning question. Assertion is standard deviation is mathematical method to calculate dispersion. Reason is it is square root of deviation from mean. Option A both A and B are true and R is the right explanation of A. Option B both A and B are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C A is true but R is false. Option D A is false but R is true. Yes, here the right answer is option A. Both assertion and reason are true here and R is the correct explanation of assertion. Question number 17. Value of the variate which has the maximum frequency is option A median, option B mode, option C mean, option D none of the above. Yes, value of the variate which has the maximum frequency is, that is mode. Yes, the mode is the value that appears most often in a set of data values. Question number 18. Measure of the extent to which the items vary from central value is option A mean, option B dispersion, option C median, option D mode. So measure of the extent to which the items vary from central value is dispersion. So option B is correct. Yes, in statistics, dispersion is the extent to which a distribution is stretched. Examples of measures of statistical dispersion are the variance, standard deviation, interquartile range, etc. Question number 19. Assertion is Pearson's method measures actual figures. Reason, Spearman's method measures ranks. Yes, both are correct, but there is no link between assertion and reason. So option B, both assertion and reason are true, but R is not the correct explanation of assertion. Question number 20. Assertion is scatter diagram is a mathematical method. Reason is Pearson's method is a mathematical method. Yes, here option D is correct. A is false, but R is true here. Assertion is false. Scatter diagram, it is a mathematical method. It is wrong because scatter diagram is a graphical method and Pearson's method is a mathematical method. This is correct. Okay friends, this is about today's session. And friends, if you are preparing for Maharashtra set in economics for the year 2022, here we are having a crash course. In this crash course you will get complete theory lectures, complete MCQs lectures, entire syllabus mock tests are available with solution PDF, then notes are available on all the units. Practice MCQ set is available only at rupees 7,000. So if you want to join, you can contact this number. Yes, I wish all the best to all. Thank you.